Hello, we're going to go through a little bit of the interface for smart training and its learning management system. You can see on the screen here, we've got the training needed, and we've got a training course right here that's already been started. You can see it's at 61%. And when we resume that, it's going to go right back into the system where we had left off. And it's going to auto advance after it gets to the end of this specific slide content. But if we want to go back to any slide that we've already been to, we can jump back and we can jump right back to the last slide and where we were going. So it's really easy to navigate through that. We also have the ability to adjust the player speed as well as the resolution and autoplay functions. If we close out of it, then it's going to automatically save our new position. And when we go back in, it'll go right back there. We have the ability to group things together into a syllabus or group of training so that you're able to either just package things together, or if you want, you can make it so that things have to be completed in a certain order within a syllabus. And that can be training, it can be task, it can be anything that's on our system. We have a dashboard, and you'll be able to customize and add your own little functions here. A simple one is just your next assignment, and it prioritizes things based on the priority the manager assigns things, and then puts you in order your top 5 or 6 things that you need to complete. Next, we have the certificates, and you're able to have your certificates for anything that you've completed. And you're even able to share it or download or email the certificate. So that's all kept on our system indefinitely. We also have some tasks and documents, event management that we won't get into in this basic overview. But next, we're going to go through and look at how to add a user. And to add a user, you just go to the users page and then create new. And it's got a number of different fields here, but all you have to complete is first name, last name, and a login ID. If you put in an email address, then that email address will automatically become the login ID, and then you're able to send out a link to that person, and they're able to generate their own password. If we don't have an email address, then the system will require you to set a password. And you can set a generic one, and then when they first log in, they'll be able to change it to whatever they want. Be able to assign different job descriptions and locations, and that's how a lot of the assignments end up getting assigned, is based on the job description that you're putting for each user. So jumping over to assignments, if we have a new employee, we want to set up the LMS admin job description, and we're going to assign it a couple of different courses. We're going to assign demo training 1 as required, demo training 2 as suggested. And you know what? They're going to be exempted from having to complete the how to upload training courses. We're going to click update, and then those changes have been saved, and we can see all that here. And so now if we come over, we see that there's some additional training required, and this one's suggested. And so that is the basic interface. We also have a help function where you've got a number of different documents, and this is being added to all the time. We have our phone number up in the corner as well, and then we have a support email address that you're able to email if you can't get a hold of anybody on the phone. That's our system, and I hope you've enjoyed this, and